carbon fibre and so keep going. Alright, how about lower it down onto the legs?
Like
the crane all the way down so it sits on the legs of the crane. All the way down, just drop it, yeah. All the way down. Slowly, don't you? Don't you? Yeah. Lower it on my foot.
Let's say for 2 handle lower. Yeah.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Sideways.
Yeah, sideways. Back through the drain.
So up a little bit.
So, is it all the way down? No, you take the tension off. I think we should be able to, 2 of us lift that and slide it in further. Yeah, that's enough. Huh?
Yeah, just like lift the up.
Huh?
Just slide it.
Yeah. Idea.
You like a cloth to make it a little bit slide so it doesn't.
Not cloth, but something I won't be able to do more. No resistance. I'll just you push it under. No, just go this one.
Oh my god. That's not. Look, man, kena habis tutup.
It's already, yeah, so that's what I was thinking. I'm going to lift that up first.
Yeah.
Just move that going.
You still want it underneath? Yeah.
No.
Actually.
Yeah.
Just wait.
A lot of weight is now. Now get the bar, don't break your back, use the bar like I did behind you. You don't want to end up like me when you get older. You don't, honestly. Hang on. Yeah. Too much. But don't think it's so far under next time. Baby steps. Now. Now lift this, can you slide it under? Drain back up front.
Wait.
And that's how you do it without a forklift. What's wrong?
That.
Huh? But we have to manhandle it.
Oh,
Wow. That's not loaded very well. No, I'm going to go back that way a bit.
kuya, careful kuya.
Push,
Put,
push that way.
honey.
Not lift. Just,
He don't.
oh, we can't lay because the electricals. Okay.
Hold kuya ha.
Where's the other one down here?
Yeah, wait. Yeah.
Alright, can you?
Look, if I let go.
Okay, I hold it. I hold.
Alright, I got it. I got it. It's right, just this one. It's rain. Did you close it? No.
It's good. Oh, just a twist that.
Needs a lock. Actually, maybe we'll put it here again.
You should buy like daddy kuya that belt. Because you have a hurt sore
Yeah, it
back
supports
too.
it a lot.
Kuya.
I like it when I'm doing this stuff. Reminds you to get your back straight too. Just pull it back for a second. When you come here, what we'll do is we will lift this end and drop it down onto the wood there. No, come.
I'll join that one.
Help me lift this end. And we'll put it down onto there.
Yeah.
The front will slide down to it at some time.
Kuya, don't too much use your.
Slowly.
Kuya. Kuya.
Other way.
Kuya, away. My God, I'm worried you buddies.
This is why men, no, I won't go there because it'll tire you.
No, you risky. You're doing what hand there. You're doing is
This is why
risky.
mankind progress. If we do everything the way women want it to, nothing will ever get done. Oh, can't do that. Oh, that's dangerous.
Yeah, dangerous. And your life is one time, one life only. Duh. You're gonna break your legs, finish forever. You're
And that's what
disabled forever.
Do you think the world would be what it was without men taking risks? You know,
Yeah, but that's worth of risky that thing.
people walking hundreds of meters a day on a beam this way.
Nobody paying you million that's happen here. You're not working in the company.
That's how humanity progress. By taking risks.
You want me to lose it?
No, keep going. Come forward a bit. No.
Can lose it up.
No, it's okay. Take it up. I'll go to the other end and see. Roll it. And to stand them up, I'll just use that 12-volt winch connected to the truss and stand them up. Alright, start pulling it back so we can lower it again onto the edge. Okay, that'll do. Just lower it down. Beautiful! Is it enough down to get take the strap off?
Sure.
No.
Thanks.
That's got it done. And then drop it down and tighten it. Drop it all the way down. You could see this. That's supposed to be chrome.
Yeah.
And it will rust if it's up. So every time you lower it, it gets covered in oil.
So you have to literally fold.
Always drop, rams back down. And I'll be short up too. Drop her all the way down. Now tighten it. Alright. Do the same thing again. I don't think it's going to damage the black plastic grate. We'll make sure. You can buy steel ones, but they're so expensive. The steel grate. It's not much weight there.
Matiil kuya. Tapi dia matiil.
So if you use one of these and you stick it far,
Tu mas
it's
hibi.
going to be hard, right? So you always try and keep it as short as possible. Another lesson brought to you by Rick Paul. The advancement of humankind. Seeing them on film, you know. Woo! Beautiful. Look at this beautiful repair job. Fix my broom. Yeah. Save $50. Alright, now what I'm going to do is lift this end up, do this round here and pull the